This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Fabulous brick ranch. Many upgrades and features await the next owners. Ceramic tile in kitchen/dining. New flooring, luxury vinyl in bedrooms and laundry room. Laminate in bathrooms and remodeled garage conversion creating 2 bedrooms. Adjacent to full bathroom. Roof replaced 2021. HVAC 2016 freshly painted. Inviting kitchen boasts quartz counters, breakfast bar, recessed lights, new fixtures and sink. Stainless steel appliances, fridge, washer dryer convey. Open concept floor plan flowing from living room to family room with gas fireplace to open dining area. Exterior oasis is with well-maintained 16 by 32 in-ground pool and concrete apron surround. Wood privacy fence enclose the entire backyard and additional aluminum fence separates the pool from the backyard. Plenty of room there for cookouts, playset and more. Its 2-level detached garage is a hobby enthusiast's dream. Large garage area and workshop/storage options. Near shopping, restaurants and interstate. Menchville schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Froman at 757-478-1091.